Are you wondering how to get Alexa on Apple Watch? If yes, then this video is for you. In this guide, I will tell you if you can put Alexa in Apple Watches like Series 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and SE2. Not only this, but I will also tell you how you can use Alexa on your Apple Watch and what you will be able to do with it. Amazon Alexa has become an integral part of many households. The Internet of Things is taking over the world, and Alexa seems to be playing an important role in controlling all household gadgets. So if you also have Alexa-enabled devices at your home and also use an Apple Watch, be it Series 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 or SE2, then you must be wondering if it comes Alexa-enabled or not, right? Sadly, Alexa is not available on Apple Watches yet, even in 2023. I know this is kind of a bummer, but Apple is being its classic self and you cannot really complain. So Apple Watches does not support Alexa. But does it mean there is no way to use Alexa on your Apple Watch? Luckily, there is a way around it. Let me tell you about that way. There is a third-party app available in the App Store called Voice in a Can. You can use this app to use Alexa on Apple Watches. You can use the following steps to enable Alexa on your Apple Watch. Install and open the Voice in a Can app from App Store on your iPhone. Log in with your Amazon account to be able to use Alexa. Install the Voice in a Can app on your Apple Watch from App Store. Connect your Apple Watch and iPhone. Open the Voice in a Can app on your Apple smartwatch. Tap on the Alexa logo. Let it synchronize with the app on your iPhone. Once it is synchronized, you will be able to give commands to Alexa. So this is how you will be able to use Amazon Alexa on your Apple Watch, be it Series 8, 7, 6 or any other variant. The thing that I liked about Voice in a Can app is that it adds its icon to your watch faces automatically. Therefore, you do not have to search for the Voice in a Can app in the app drawer. It will be right there when you turn on your watch. So you have enabled Alexa on your Apple Watch. But the question that arises is what you will be able to do with it. Because as I told you earlier, this is just a way around, so there are some limitations to the functions that you will be able to use. Let us look at the things that you will not be able to do. You cannot make calls, you will not be able to listen to music, you cannot make announcements. Other than this, you will be able to do all other things. You can make Alexa tell you the weather, you can control the Alexa-enabled gadgets in your home, etc. Thank you for watching. While Alexa isn't available on Apple Watches, you can use the Voice in a Can app as a workaround. By following the steps we have provided, you can access Alexa on your Apple Watch. With this app, you can control smart devices, check the weather and more. Note that there are limitations like no calls or music. The app automatically adds its icon to your watch face. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Also let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.